Today's video, I'm going to go and get a bunch of logs. Now, it's going to be about a 20-minute ride from where I'm at to where I'm going. At the end of the day, I should have a ton more logs. Now, the log pile we saw before is behind me here. Basically have just this small stack here is all we got right now. We'll kind of do a before and after. There's the before. And we'll see what it looks like after. So, stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. This is load number 1, 11 logs there. I'm going to unload this one and go back for some more. Turns out there's about 70 some logs out there, so it's going to be a busy day. Okay, I'm back here. This is load number 2. There's 16 logs on this one. Last one I seemed a little light, so this one I went just a couple more logs. So I had 11 on the first one, 16 on the second one. So my total's 27 so far. Let's see how many more we get today. Okay, here we are, load number 3, and there's 12 logs on this, so if I remember my tally right, I think I'm at 39 logs. 39 logs on load number 3. Got a nice big one there in the middle. Just got done with load number 4. There's 52 now I'm up to. I was 13 that last load. There's 52 altogether. Load number 5, I've got 19 logs on this one. I'm gonna make this a quick one because I gotta go back and try to get number 6 before the sun goes down. But yeah, there's 19 logs on this one. A couple of shorter ones, but I want to get them all cut, so took everything I get. Alright, that's load number 5. Load number 6 on its way. The logs, 17 on the last load, 6th load. If you're keeping tally, that's 88 logs. Show you what they look like when I get them unloaded. Here we have the finished product. Now there's 88 logs that I hauled today, plus the 12 on the end there that I started with this morning. My total log count now is 100 saw logs. It's a nice round number. It gives me something to do here for a while. I'll be cutting these logs up. I got some ash, some walnut, some oak, some cherry. I got a little bit of everything here in this pile. So there's going to be plenty of stuff here for me to be cutting in the next few weeks. See how much of it I can get cut up. So stay tuned for those videos. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all the help that I got in the making of this video. The guys helped me load at the site, and my daughter helped me unload that 5th load, and my brother helped me unload the last load. I appreciate all the help from everybody, and it's going to be a work in progress getting all these cut. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.